Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.4, Problem 3. This is Section 1.4, Problem 3, 245 minus 164. Now the way the problem is written, it's written in a horizontal format, which is tougher to just do and show the work. I mean, this would be fine if you're going to plug it into a calculator for sure, but if I am going to do it by hand, I would rather write it like this, 245 on top minus 164 underneath. Now, the rightmost column of digits, I have 5 minus 4, which is 1. The next column of digits, 4 minus 6. So the 4 is not big enough. This is a case where we need to borrow. The next digit to the left is a 2. I'll cross it out, make it a 1. And then I will change the 4 to a 14. Now it's 14 minus 6, which is 8. And now the next column to the left, I'm left with 1 minus 1, which is 0. I don't really need to write the 0. And the answer is 81.